Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button. I want you to like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So also click on the bell notification. So once I drop an update, we get it instantly. Do not miss out on any single update. Get an instant update immediately by clicking on the subscribe button and also the bell notification. You can also follow the Telegram to also stay updated. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting this week on AUDUSD. We need to zoom it out and understand the full bigger picture of what our Australian dollar to US dollar is actually doing. So if you take a look at this movement here, we all know that market tends to give us three movements. It's either we are trending upward, which is a series of higher iron when market is pushing up, or market is trending down, or market is literally giving a sideways movement, which is a rangy market. But when you take a look at what AUD USD is doing here, you clearly can see that it is a trending market. It is trending downward. We are having a series of lower low and lower high, lower low and a lower high. You can clearly see it. This is a series of lower low and a lower high. Now, when you take a look at this movement here, which is also here, because we want to understand what market is doing currently, we do not want to start from here. We do not want to start from here. Instead, we are going to start from here to understand what market is doing, which is also a bearish move. Now, take a look at this movement here, which is bearish under our weekly time frame. We see something like this, our impulsive move. If you have this impulsive move that you see here, once you go to your forward time frame, you will see markets giving a series of lower low and it has been dropping. Then here because the corrective phase, which is a massive bullish move on your forward time frame. That is on the forward time frame. Then this is an impulsive move, which is a sell, massive sell on the forward time frame. Then the corrective wave. Then here comes the impulsive move, corrective wave. This is also our impulsive move. Here comes the corrective wave. Market eventually dropped, ranged within this level. You can see markets ranged within this level. This was around year 2023 to 2024. It ranged, it gave a choppy movement between this level before markets eventually dropped more, which was around 2025, which is in around that March 2025, that dropped and took out this previous low, thereby giving a new low. Then here comes the pullback phase. You can see it, right? So now what we'll be expecting is another sell. So this is for position traders. If you are a very long-term trader or a very long-term investor, right, you would want to hop in on the sell. Now, this is the best opportunity for you to hop in on the sell. So you would want to be holding your position for the probably the next 6 months, 6 to 7 months. You would want to be holding your position because with this movement, markets will continue to drop till it form a new low. And with that movement, if you are to enter it from here, where we currently are, we are currently trading, say it form a new low. This will be giving you good amount of pips, more than 600 pips or probably 700 pips. You would be making about 700 pips. You can see it's 700 pips within 6 months period, which is a very massive number of pips. As to compare to 60 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips that day traders tend to make. You as a position traders, you would most likely catch about 700 pips or more. So our forecast and our bias on our weekly time frame says we are bearish. But position traders, you can see open, then still time. Now let's see what market is doing here. This is the first low and the lower high. This is our second lower low and the lower high. So market is still forming to eventually form a new low. So this low is still at equal low. It is not yet a new low. It is at an equal low. So we should be expecting a new low. This new low should drop and break this previous low. Then we can now start expecting a pullback. Once we expect that pullback finish, then we can now expect another new low. So that is exactly what we be expecting. So if you still want to open, it can open because we will still be expecting a new low. And if you do not want to do that, you want the new low to form first before it pulls back. Once it pulls back, then you can now open again on the sell and hold that position for a good number of times. So bearish is what we're expecting on our weekly time frame. Let's go to our daily time frame. So this is it also. This is our trend bearish move. This is it here. Low, lower high, lower low, lower high, equal low. So we still be expecting that one more drop, still to drop for that a full lower low before we can now start expecting a lower high and then another low. But when you take a look at this current movement here, market is dropping. Then daily time frame, go back, drop, daily time frame, pulling back. One more drop is what we'll be expecting next. That one more drop, we fully take out this low here, which will now serve as if a new lower low on something like this main food trend, which is literally trending downward like this. So this movement here eventually form to take out this previous low. The market can now start correcting before another drop. So above all, swing traders and position traders, you can still open for the sell on AUDUSD. Now let's see on the forward time frame market is doing. So one more push up, just a little bit of a push up and then the drop. As you can see it here, right here, you can clearly see it. We are having a series of lower low and a lower high, lower low and a lower high. This is the low. And here is the lower high currently playing. Once this lower high finish playing, we should be expecting another low. So guys, this is one of the reasons why this week we will be expecting a good amount of a bearish move. So do not miss out on any single update and click on the subscribe button. Once you click on that subscribe button, click on the bell notification. Once you click on the bell notification, you will get an instant update, daily back-to-back updates, instant updates. Then you can now go to the comment section and follow the Telegram channel so that you would also still have access to more updates. In case you miss out on any update, you will be able to follow the updates on the Telegram. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section.